In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Airtable for real estate. Whether you're an experienced agent or just starting out, using Airtable to organize your real estate processes can make a significant difference in your workflow efficiency and client management. Let's dive right into it. First, we'll start by creating a real estate base, which is essentially the foundation of your management system in Airtable. Go ahead and create a new base, and name it Real Estate Management System. This base will serve as your central hub where you'll manage properties, clients, leads, and more. It's important to have a centralized system to keep track of various aspects of real estate management, and Airtable offers a flexible platform to do just that. Now that we've set up the base, let's move on to creating our core tables. These tables will be the backbone of your system, and we'll focus on three primary areas: properties, clients, and leads. Starting with the properties table, you'll want to set up columns that include essential details like the property address, type, status, price, and any other characteristics you find pertinent. You can include fields for images to add visual representation and track features or recent renovations. This will create a comprehensive database for all the properties you're managing or selling. Next, set up the clients table. In this table, capture all the necessary details about your clients, such as names, contact information, preferences, and buying history. Establishing a detailed client profile will help you tailor your services specifically to their needs, ensuring a more personalized experience. Understanding what your clients are looking for enables you to match them with the appropriate properties more effectively. Now let's focus on the leads table. This table is critical for tracking potential opportunities and maintaining a pipeline of prospective clients. Include columns for names, contact details, lead source, and interest levels. Airtable's flexible platform means you can adapt this table to your needs, tracking communication history and scheduling follow-ups to ensure no lead is left behind. A well-maintained leads table allows you to nurture relationships and convert prospects into dedicated clients. Finally, to optimize your efficiency and make the most of Airtable's capabilities, consider automating your real estate workflows. Automation is a powerful tool that can save you hours of repetitive work, such as sending emails, updating status fields, or scheduling reminders for follow-ups. Explore Airtable's automation options to streamline these processes, reducing manual input and minimizing the chance of overlooking important tasks. Think about using integrations with tools like Zapier for even greater functionality. By structuring your Airtable base effectively, creating detailed tables, and implementing automation, you can transform the way you manage and grow your real estate business. Remember, the key to success in real estate is organization and efficiency, and with Airtable, you'll have the tools you need to achieve both. Enjoy exploring Airtable and happy real estate managing.